Olá pessoal, welcome back. In the previous video we saw the names of 50 foods and drinks in Brazilian Portuguese. We are going to use some of that vocabulary in today's video as part of a dialogue, but before we get to the dialogue, let's have a look at the most common ways of ordering food and drinks. So the phrases that we are going to see today, you can use them to order food in a restaurant, restaurante, padaria. Padaria is a bakery, but some padarias in Brazil, they are a cross between a bakery and a coffee shop, a cafe. So you can get your snack and coffee and actually have it there, sit at the table in the padaria. And lanchonete, snack bar. And even street sellers, vendedores de rua, selling food, very common to see as well in Brazil. So the easiest way to order something is to say, like in English we would say, a coffee please, café por favor. So the example here, café is masculine, we're going to use which is the masculine version of the number one. It can also be the indefinite article, like a coffee. But you can also say eu quero, so eu quero café por favor. Eu quero literally means I want. It's rude in English, but in Brazil it's very common for people to just say eu quero and then what they actually want. It's not considered rude, especially because of the intonation you're going to use, so a friendly intonation, and because sometimes for learners it's difficult to get their intonation right, I always say add por favor at the end, so that if you don't get the intonation right, you're still saying please, so that you won't get perceived as being rude. Eu quero café, por favor. Eu quero 2 cafés, por favor. Uma coca, por favor. So here we've got coca, Coke, it's a feminine noun, so instead of like café, we're going to use uma. Uma coca, por favor. Eu quero uma coca, por favor. Eu quero 2 cocas, por favor. So here we have duas, the feminine form of the number 2. We saw with cafés, 2 coffees, 2 cafés, 2 cokes, 2 cocas. Now, if you're worried about getting the intonation wrong when you say eu quero, you can actually say eu queria instead. Eu queria literally means I wanted. It's the verb querer in the pretérito imperfeito, the imperfect. So that softens it a bit. Eu queria. Eu queria café, por favor. Eu queria uma coca, por favor. Hope you're repeating after me. And there's also a third way of ordering, still with the verb querer. So we saw I want, I wanted, and now we can say I will want. Eu vou querer. So this is the futuro imediato with the verb ir as an auxiliary verb. I will want, we say in Portuguese, eu vou, and then the main verb, what you will do. In this case, querer. I will want, eu vou querer. Repeat after me. Eu vou querer café, por favor. Eu vou querer uma coca, por favor. Now, there's another way of ordering. It literally means see me, me vê. So this is very popular as well. It's quite colloquial. If you use that, you sound very natural, very fluent. Me vê. So repeat after me. Me vê café, por favor. Me vê uma coca, por favor. So you're going to play the customer first. I'll be the person working at the bakery. You're going to order a coxinha and a pastel de queijo. You're going to ask if we have a diet Guaraná diet, and I'm going to say we don't actually have it, but we have Coca diet. And you're also going to order a quindim and dois brigadeiros. Okay, and the phrases we are going to use are eu queria, eu vou querer, and me ver. So we'll do the dialogue twice. First, I'll be playing the person working at the padaria, and you'll be playing the customer, and then we'll swap roles and do the dialogue again. So to begin with, I'll be reading the blue lines and you'll be reading the red lines. And make sure you're practicing reading them out loud. Are you ready? Vamos começar. Bom dia, pois não? Alguma coisa para beber? Infelizmente não, só normal. Temos sim. Mais alguma coisa? R$ 4,50. R$ 5. É para viagem? É só isso então? R$ 24,50. Você não tem uma nota menor? Perfeito. Aqui está o troco, R$ 15,50. Obrigado. So now let's do it again. This time you'll be playing the person working at the padaria and I'll be the customer. If you do need more time, then feel free to just pause the video if I'm not giving enough gap there for you to say your lines. So this time you'll start, you'll be reading the blue lines and I'll be reading the red lines. So you go first. Bom dia, eu queria uma coxinha e um pastel de queijo, por favor. Vocês têm Guaraná Diet? E Coca Diet, vocês têm? Me vê uma então, por favor. Quanto está o brigadeiro? E o quindim? Eu vou querer um quindim e 2 brigadeiros, por favor. Não, é para comer aqui. Sim, é só isso por enquanto. Quanto é o total? Você tem troco para uma nota de R$ 50? Ah, tem uma de R$ 20 aqui. Muito obrigado. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments below. Muito obrigado. Até a próxima.